Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to my channel, A Colorful Creations. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to do another acrylic pour for you today. I'm going to go with a straight pour, which is a super easy, fun technique for even a beginner. You could do this as your first pour, honestly. I'm going to keep it really simple and just use 3 colors, very minimal. I'll explain that all as I go. Make sure you watch right to the end for the dry result if you want to see. And give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment because YouTube really loves that. Thank you. If you'd like to see the creation of this gorgeous painting behind me, I will link that in the description as well. Now let's get started. This is a 9x12. I'm going to put it on some cups. And I'm going to do just a straight pour. I'm just using 3 colors. I'm not getting into recipes right now. You can check out the link in the description to a video on that. I have another one here. It's really thinned out. I'm going to use that as my flow extender. All right, so I'm just going to layer these into the cup. You're going to want your paint mixed on a thicker side for this type of pour. So you just layer them into the cup. It's nice to pour down to on the side of the cup so they don't run into each other, but if they're thick enough, it should be okay. So just layer like light, dark, light, dark. There's no real order you need to do this in. And just fill it up to the amount that you think you're going to need. And there you go. All right, this is just another leftover paint from another time that I just thinned out a lot to use as a flow extender. I'm just going to pour a little bit out in the middle and move it around a little bit. This might be too much paint, but we'll see. And it's going to do a straight pour. It doesn't really matter what color you use for this, it's just to help the rest of it go easily. I'll just give it a quick torch to pop the bubbles. I love these colors. And now to just tilt it around the canvas. I usually find when I have something like this where I want to keep the center intact, I pour it to one side and then bring it back to the center and then go to another side and then bring it back. Like keep bringing it back each time. It'll help keep it intact like that. Give it another torch. And here we are. As always, I just take a popsicle stick and run it underneath to get rid of the paint. And then I just leave it sit there to dry. I'll just give you a quick close-up and then I will show you with the dried result. I love how the colors turned out so crisp and clear. All right, here we are finished. It turned out really nice. I'm so happy with it. It dried beautiful. Look at all the detail in this. And that's just 3 colors. So can you believe that? Sometimes you use a lot of colors and they kind of get lost underneath each other and you don't really get to see them all. So this is pretty nice. What do you think? Let me know. I actually kind of would like to see this on large scale. Like, do you think this would be nice this size? What do you think? That might be pretty amazing.